Hi home buyers, in this video we'll break down the top things to look out for when you're buying an older home. Let's dive in. When buying an older home, the first thing to consider is the exterior condition. Look for any signs of damage or wear and tear, such as cracks in the foundation, broken gutters, or missing shingles. Also check the condition of the windows and doors to ensure they're in good working order. The roof and chimney are also important to inspect. Look for any signs of damage or wear and tear, such as missing and damaged shingles or cracks in the chimney. Also, check the condition of the flashing around the chimneys, vents, and skylights to ensure they're in good working order. When buying an older home, it's also important to inspect the electrical and plumbing systems. Look for any signs of outdated or hazardous wiring, such as knob and tube wiring or aluminum wiring. Also, check the condition of the plumbing system to ensure it is in good working order and there are no leaks. The foundation and structural integrity of the home are also critical to inspect. Look for any signs of cracks or damage to the foundation or any signs of sagging or uneven floors. Also check the condition of the walls and ceilings to ensure they're in good working order. That's our video on things to look out for when buying an older home. If you found this informative, please subscribe to watch more videos on the home buying process.